Metadata analysis. Website name. Video sharing platform earn from video creation. Website description. Become part of a large community by tagging your video. Platform connects authors and advertisers. Website keywords. Video content. A popular bloggers, a popular video earn money. Watch video, community advertisers. SEO analysis. Site status. Congratulations! Your site is alive. Title tag. The meta title of your page has a length of 58 characters. Most search engines will truncate meta titles to 70 characters. Video sharing platform earn from video creation. Meta description. The meta description of your page has a length of 122 characters. Most search engines will truncate meta descriptions to 160 characters. Become part of a large community by tagging your video. Platform connects authors and advertisers. Google search results preview. Video sharing platform earn from video creation. https://febspot.com. Become part of a large community by tagging your video. Platform connects authors and advertisers. Most common keywords test. There is likely no optimal keyword density. Search engine algorithms have evolved beyond keyword density metrics as a significant ranking factor. It can be useful, however, to note which keywords appear most often on your page and if they reflect the intended topic of your page. More importantly, the keywords on your page should appear within natural-sounding and grammatically correct copy. Per 5. Views 4. Revenue 4. Income 3. Number 3. Keyword usage. Your page have common keywords from meta tags. Earn. Video. Community. Monetization. Platform. Popular. H1 headings status. Your pages having these H1. Ready to earn from video creation. H2 headings status. Your pages having these H2. Error. Boost your revenue by videos. How it works. See how much you could earn from. Robots, text test. Your page doesn't have robots, text file. Test. Your page doesn't have XML. Test. Your site doesn't have. Site loading speed test. Your site loading time is around 1.495033979415 seconds and the average loading speed of any website which is 5 seconds required. Flash test. Congratulations! Your website does not include Flash objects, an outdated technology that was sometimes used to deliver rich multimedia content. Flash content does not work well on mobile devices and is difficult for crawlers to interpret. Frame test. Congratulations! Your web page does not use frames. CSS. Your page having एक external CSS files and out of them एक CSS files are minified. JS. Your page having 4 external JS files and out of them 2 JS files are minified. Following files are not minified. https://www.febspot.com/static/js/main.the.ps.js https://www.febspot.com/static/js/main.js =v=3.1